This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Tally Prime activation key. First, understand that Tally Prime offers different license types to suit various business needs. We will cover the official methods for acquiring a brand new license, whether it's a single-user Silver or a multi-user Gold edition. Additionally, you will learn the straightforward process for renewing or upgrading your existing license, ensuring uninterrupted business operations. Finally, we will highlight crucial tips to ensure a smooth activation and avoid common issues. Acquiring a new Tally Prime license is a simple process. You can purchase it directly from the official Tally Solutions website, which is a quick and secure method. Alternatively, reaching out to an authorized Tally partner can provide you with personalized guidance and support throughout your purchase. Remember to select the license type that best fits your needs, such as the Silver edition for one user or the Gold edition for multiple users, and always check your system's compatibility. For existing users, renewing or upgrading your Tally Prime license is straightforward. It is crucial to renew your license before it expires to maintain continuous access to all features. If your business grows, you can easily upgrade your single-user Silver license to a multi-user Gold edition directly through the Tally Solutions website. Always ensure your Tally Software Services, or TSS, subscription is active to receive product updates and support. Once you have your license, activating Tally Prime is the next step. You will use the serial number and activation key provided to register your product online, unlocking all its powerful features. It is highly recommended to keep your license details, including the serial number and activation key, in a secure yet easily accessible place. Should you encounter any difficulties during activation, do not hesitate to contact Tally support for prompt assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.